box of mass 6 kg slides with a velocity of 4 meters per second across a frictionless floor when it suddenly explodes into 2 pieces. One piece of mass 2 kg moves in the same direction with a speed of 8 meters per second. Determine the velocity of the second piece. Alright, so let's first break this down to understand what is happening. So here's our flow, rough flow. The flow is frictionless, so it's a smooth flow rather. So here's our object or box before sliding. Now it was moving in this direction with a speed of 4 meters per second. So we can say the initial speed was 4 meters per second. It then explodes into 2 pieces. So after the explosion, we have this piece here. Now remember, they are going in the same direction. It says explodes into 2 pieces and move in the same direction. So this one moves in the same direction, but with a speed of 8 meters per second. Then the other piece, let's say this is the other piece here. So in short, the box just splits and also moves in the same direction. One piece of 2 kg in the same direction with a speed of that to determine the velocity of the second piece. So the other one moves with the velocity, let's just call it V2. We don't know what this is. So to break down what we have the speed 1 being 4. That's the initial. But remember, this is the same as V2 because they were just one object. So these two speeds will just be the same. And I'll show you how we'll break this down. So V1, the final speed for 1 is the 8 that we have meters per second. So V2, that's what we're looking for. And M1 is 8 kg, while M2 is, no, it's not 8 kg. It was given as 2 kg. 8 is the speed, so this is 2. M2 is the difference from the total 6. So say 6 minus 2, this will be 4 kg. So if this is what we have, according to the conservation of momentum, because momentum is conserved in all collisions, in this case it's an explosion, we can say momentum for 1 plus momentum for 2 is equals to momentum for 1 prime plus momentum for 2 prime. But in this case it was an explosion, meaning that they just had one object, and this object had only single initial velocity multiplied by the total mass. It was just one object, so that's just velocity times mass. Then final momentum for 1 is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Initial velocity of the box before explosion was 4. Total mass before explosion was 6. This is equals to m1 is 2 kg, v1 is 8 meters per second. Then we have m2, which is 4 kg, and v2 is v. Just leave it as v2 as it is. So let's bring our equation here. This means that we have 24 is equals to 16 plus 4 v2. So 24 minus 16 is equals to 4 v2. Subtract the 2. This gives us 8. Divide both sides by 4. So final velocity for 2 is simply 2 meters per second. There we have it.